What's good, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, coming at you with another review for Thread Beast. All right, so if you guys have watched the last few videos, you guys know that this is my last Thread Beast video that I will be doing, and there's a little bit of weight to this box. So I don't know exactly what all they included in here because I don't look at them, even though it's been sitting for a month and a half. I take a peek, but that's just about it. So let's see what we got going on here. Oh, and before we get into it, like this video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for all the different things and items that I'm gonna end up reviewing in the near future, and hopefully we can stay connected that way. And hopefully some of the things that I like are things that you like, and maybe you'll go ahead and purchase those things too. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's see what we got going on here. Yay, some socks. Those are gonna be like 10 bucks. Some shorts. I think this is what, like Lucky Brand or True Religion. I didn't even know they were still in business. I guess they're trying to make like a little bit of a comeback or something. I don't know. But hey, it's in my box, so I'll play along. I'll probably say these shorts are probably like 45. And then this 10 bucks. That's gonna be what, $55. All right, so let's see. Okay, well, I guess here we go. Maybe these are the replacement jeans. Uh-oh, these look short. These are Crooks and Castles. Uh-oh, these jeans look short. Actually, I gotta stand up to see. Okay, no, actually they're good. Man, be out here scaring me. Yeah, I haven't had a new pair of black jeans in a while, so these are definitely gonna come clutch. I pray to the sweet baby black Jesus that these are not tight jeans like other jeans that they've sent me. All right, so let's see. We're gonna put these to the side. So I would probably definitely say that these jeans could anywhere be from, let's hope that they're quality, so let's say 60. All right, and I'm gonna lower these to 40, so that's gonna be 100, 110. All right, Fundamental Coast is this brand. Okay, this is nice, just a powder blue shirt. It's a nice cotton material, feels very comfortable. Definitely looking forward to wearing that. That looks comfortable, it feels comfortable, it's nice and soft. All right, so then we have something from Crisp. Crisp, I've only gotten underwear and socks from, but this is just like a tan t-shirt. So I'll probably say this t-shirt is probably like a good 20 bucks. I give 30 bucks to the other shirt. And that's 150, that's 60. So that's like, let's say 160. Let's just shoot it up to 170 because that's usually my average that I usually get when I'm dealing with the clothes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try all these on, and let's pray that everything fits well and things are true to their size. Because I'm true to my size, why can't they be true to theirs, you know? But enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and get these on so that we can wrap this up. All right, so stay tuned. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, what's going on? Now we're at the clothing try-on part. All right, people, so we're at that part where I try on the clothes, and right now I got on the Lucky Brand, the True Religion shorts, and this shirt. I don't think it's name brand at all, but can't remember off the top of my head. Doesn't have any logos or anything. That's actually what I prefer sometimes. Plus it's just a nice design, but this is just a nice tan shirt. All right, so I'm satisfied with it. This whole thing is very comfortable. I could see myself just wearing this just for whatever reason, especially lounging around the house. Like the shirt, yes, I'll wear it wherever, but the shorts, these is just soft and nice. But I probably wouldn't want to pay this much for some lounge shorts, but this is something that if I'm just around the house and I gotta run out, I'm not gonna be worried about what people think. So comfortable clothes, good to go. Boom. Let's try on the next thing. I got another shirt and those black pair of jeans. Eager to find out how those fit, just because the last couple pair of jeans have been huge misses from Thread Beast. So let's see what we got. All right, people. So now you guys, I actually just put them on since this is the last box. I just said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put on the jeans, all right? So right now, these leggings that I'm really pissed off about are cutting off circulation. I can't even zip them up. I can't butt them up. Like, yeah, this is like absurd. And I definitely would never in my life wear no damn skinny jeans. And this is some bull, like some for real bull. Like I told you, they don't know what's going out. They're just sending the stuff out and they don't care what the result is. And they're not paying attention because they don't have to try on the clothes. So I am definitely, regardless of me already ending my subscription to this company, they're gonna have to do something about these jeans because I am pretty upset. I feel like the whole box that I got was decent, like this just ruined it. So yeah, these jeans are definitely not loose fitting in any way or form, straight leg, nothing. Like my thighs like can't breathe right now. So yeah, this is some bullshit. The shirt fits fine, and just like I was saying before, it's nice and soft, but these pants is that bullshit. So let me go ahead and get these off so I don't catch a yeast infection. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.